This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not provide medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before using any new herb, supplement, or health routine, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, have a medical condition, or take prescription medications. Imagine this. You wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep. Your skin looks a little dull. Your stomach feels heavy after simple meals. And you can't quite explain why your energy just isn't what it used to be. For many people, this slow drain on energy isn't about caffeine or motivation. It's the silent strain of a tired liver. Your liver doesn't complain, but it's responsible for over 500 different functions: detoxifying your blood, balancing hormones, processing nutrients, breaking down fats, and storing energy. It's the unsung hero behind your metabolism, digestion, and mood. Yet in our modern world, it's constantly fighting against stress, alcohol, processed foods, and environmental toxins. Today, we're going to look at 3 herbs your liver is practically begging for, ancient plants that have supported human health for centuries. We'll explore how they work, how to use them safely, and how to make them part of your daily routine. The liver is your body's unsung hero. Most people think the liver just filters out alcohol or toxins, but it's so much more. It acts like your body's biochemical factory, turning raw materials from food into usable energy. It manufactures cholesterol, proteins, clotting factors, and enzymes that keep you alive. It regulates blood sugar and hormone levels. And every single drop of blood from your digestive system passes through it before going anywhere else in your body. Now here's the problem. The modern lifestyle is overwhelming this organ. High sugar diets, fast food, medications, alcohol, cleaning chemicals, and even air pollution all send more work to the liver than it can handle. Over time, this leads to fatty liver, inflammation, and sluggish detox pathways. The result? Low energy, poor digestion, skin issues, and brain fog. The good news: nature gives us tools to help. Certain herbs have unique compounds that protect, cleanse, and rejuvenate the liver. And 3 of the most powerful are milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric. Herb number 1, milk thistle. The protector used since ancient Greece, milk thistle contains a powerful antioxidant complex called silymarin. Silymarin helps shield liver cells from toxins and free radicals. It also encourages the liver to grow new healthy cells, repairing itself faster. You can think of milk thistle as cellular armor for your liver. It intercepts harmful compounds before they can damage cell membranes, from alcohol and pesticides to everyday pollutants. Modern research shows that milk thistle can support liver enzyme balance and cell regeneration. But it's not a quick fix. It works gradually, strengthening your liver's resilience over time. How to use milk thistle. It is available in capsules, 200 to 400 milligrams per day of standardized extract, 70 to 80% silymarin. It is also available in liquid tinctures, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon in water or juice, up to 1 to 3 times daily. You can also make it into a tea. Steep the crushed seeds for 10 minutes and add lemon or peppermint to soften the bitterness. Pro tip: pair milk thistle with turmeric for enhanced antioxidant protection. Caution: since silymarin affects how the liver processes certain drugs, consult a healthcare provider if you're on medication. Always buy from a trusted herbal brand. Herb number 2, dandelion root. The cleanses, that so-called weed in your backyard, is actually a powerful detoxifier. Dandelion root stimulates bile production, which helps your liver flush out waste and digest fats efficiently. Think of bile like the body's garbage truck. It carries toxins and used hormones out through the digestive system. When bile flow improves, you digest fats more easily, reduce bloating, and clear up skin issues. Dandelion root is also packed with potassium, iron, and magnesium, minerals that support hydration and enzyme function. How to use dandelion root. Tea. 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried root steeped in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Tincture. 1/2 to 1 full teaspoon in water or juice 2 to 3 times per day. Capsules. 500 to 1000 milligrams standardized extract daily. Best time to take. Morning or before meals. It helps your liver wake up. Flavor note. It can be slightly bitter, but that bitterness actually stimulates digestive juices and liver enzymes. Bonus tip. Roast the root for a caffeine-free coffee alternative with a rich, earthy flavor. Caution. Avoid if allergic to ragweed or daisy family plants. Consult your doctor if you're on diuretics or antibiotics. Herb number 3, turmeric, the regenerator, the golden spice of life. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds in nature. While many people use turmeric for joint pain or mental clarity, few realize how deeply it supports liver health. Inflammation is one of the liver's biggest challenges. When liver cells are inflamed, detox slows, fat builds up, and energy plummets. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation, stimulate bile flow, and protect liver tissue from oxidative stress. How to use turmeric. Powder. Mix 1/2 teaspoon turmeric plus a pinch of black pepper in warm water or almond milk. Capsules. 500 to 1000 milligrams curcumin daily. Look for piperine or liposomal forms. Cooking. Add to soups, eggs, curries, or smoothies liberally. Best time to take is in the evening. Supports overnight liver repair and recovery. Pairing tip. Curcumin absorbs best with healthy fats like coconut oil or olive oil. Let's put it all together. The liver support ritual. You don't need extreme detox kits. You need consistency. Here's an easy daily routine. Morning, awaken and cleanse. Warm lemon water plus dandelion root tea. It hydrates and activates bile flow. Midday to afternoon. Protect and sustain. Take milk thistle with lunch. Supports regeneration and daily detox work. Evening, repair and restore. Sip turmeric, golden milk. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, pinch black pepper, a little coconut oil, warm almond milk. Calming, restorative, and anti-inflammatory. After a few weeks, expect more stable energy, smoother digestion, and brighter skin. Your liver's balance is returning. Common myths and mistakes: more isn't better. Overloading on herbs stresses your system. Go slow, stay consistent. Cheap supplements aren't worth it. Always buy tested, reputable products. The 3-day detox myth. True liver support happens over weeks, not weekends. Ignoring the basics. Hydration, sleep, and stress management are just as vital as herbs. Here are a few signs your liver is thanking you. More consistent energy throughout the day, reduced bloating and heaviness after meals, clearer skin and brighter eyes, improved focus and mood, reduced cravings, and smoother digestion. These are all signs your liver's natural intelligence is kicking back in. The big picture. Your liver isn't just a filter, it's your body's guardian and healer. Milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric are 3 of nature's finest allies for keeping it strong. Support your liver with gentle, steady care, and it will reward you with vitality that radiates from the inside out. Please remember, the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and not intended as medical advice. Herbs can interact with medications and conditions. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or herbal routine. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little extra liver love today. Your health is your foundation for life. When your liver thrives, you thrive.